Today we're making Oreo cupcake. So we only need 3 ingredients. We need some Oreo biscuits, a few Oreo biscuits, and only 1 pack of Oreo biscuits. Then some milk. And if you don't have baking soda, you could use Eno powder. The milk should not be cold or hot, just warm and a perfect temperature.
Right,
So first we have to crush the cookies in the bag and then roll it with a rolling pin like this so it gets crushed. And we got 3 mugs to put our Oreo cookies. When it's mashed, we're going to put in here and then put in the microwave. Let it cook, then you can put any frosting or anything we like to decorate with it. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna open our Ziploc bag. We're gonna put our biscuits. Only use a few pack of biscuits, but you could add all inside the bag. We're gonna crush the cookies in big chunks with this bit. Then we're gonna roll it like this. Okay, guys? Now we're gonna add the milk, but remember to add a few drops. Only a little bit, like this much or maybe this much. If you add too much, it will not turn out good. Guys, it's looking so nice, but it needs a little mixing. Then we're going to pour it into our 3 cups and then we're going to cook it and add our frosting. Only 2 more steps, and the 3rd step, eat it and gobble it up. It's baking soda. We only have to add a tiny bit. That's it. So we add all, and we're going to mix it. The mixture is ready now. We're going to add it in our cups now, because there's nothing left to add, so we have to add it in. Don't add a lot. If you add a lot, then the cupcake will be too full and it will blast in your microwave. So only add halfway, but when you cook it in the microwave, then it will sprout. Okay? So don't add too much. I'm just gonna add this last drop. That's what I'm gonna add. Yippee! Now we get to put this in the microwave. Then it's time for me to decorate it. And then eat it and gobble it up in your tummy. So we'll open our microwave. We're going to put it on 1 minute. High power. So I can smell something. It's a cupcake! So guys, it's ready and it's very tasty. It looks like it's so soft. And then we're gonna add our toppings on top of it, but we need to wait for it to cool down. Then we're gonna put anything you like to. I'm just gonna put ice cream and also sprinklers. If you want to use cream instead, you can, but if you want to use ice cream, you can also. add some sprinklers. Just this one. You can add a little lot if you want to. Not all. Ooh, that one looks nice. And second one, I'm gonna put the sugar cupcake. Oh, just cut a heart from a paper, from a regular paper, any paper that you're not using. This paper I haven't used. So we're gonna use sugar and pour it into this. We're gonna pour it into this. Our sugar. The heart is very nice. So now the last one is gonna be, guys, you know our secret, which is gonna be ice cream. We have ice cream. We have a chocolate ice cream. Guys, look at this yummy, dazzling ice cream. I'm gonna put it into a thing. Oh my gosh, it's on the side. If you like these cupcakes, you can make it at home. Like, share, and subscribe if you like my videos. All my videos on TV. You can press my photo and then all the videos will come. Which one you want to watch, you can watch which one you want to. It's very spongy. I like to eat it. I'm eating the ice cream and sprinkle. It's very delicious. Okay, my little brother's eating too. He's very funny and very cute. Stay tuned. Stay connected.